Hey there, Raiders! Here's how to play with friends in Sand. Teaming up with friends in Sand is pretty straightforward. As soon as you enter the game lobby, you'll notice several empty slots with plus signs on the left side of the screen. These are reserved for your squad members. To invite a friend, simply click on one of the empty slots. Scroll through your friends list and find the Steam profile of the person you'd like to invite. Click on their name, then select the Invite option. A notification will appear confirming that the invitation has been sent. Once your friend accepts the invite, they'll immediately occupy one of the available slots in your crew. You can continue inviting more friends while you're still in the preparation lobby. Alternatively, you can invite friends using a crew code. Click on an empty slot and select Join with Code. This will display your crew code, which you can send to your friends. They can then enter the code into the crew code field to join your party directly. After everyone has joined and finished preparing their gear, make sure each player marks themselves as ready. You'll know they're ready when a green check mark appears on their profile picture. Once the whole crew is ready, you're free to launch your expedition and head out into the wasteland together. Good luck on your raid and enjoy the adventure with your friends. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.